In this video, I'm reviewing a bunch of stylish bridal heels to see if they are worth wearing on your wedding day. Because let's keep it real, your big day should be all about spending time with your loved ones, family, and friends instead of stressing and being in agony just because your fabulous bridal heels makes you suffer.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
Welcome back to the Most Comfortable Heels channel. You know how wearing high heels can be so torturous for your feet? Well, I create content so you can learn how to walk in heels without pain, okay? Let's immediately start with the first bridal heels I got from the brand Buffalo. It's a German brand and they specialize in shoes. I bought these heels on Zalando, and what I really like about these heels are these butterflies on top. You know, I have a thing for butterflies because Vanessa, that's my name, it's a breed of butterflies. So anyways, the upper material of these heels is imitation leather, polyurethane, or basically plastic. And these are called the Yana. The inner material is made out of real leather and the insoles are infused with memory foam. In other words, the insoles memorizes your footprint to ensure comfort. I bought these heels for 110 euros and the heels are 10 centimeters high, and for stiletto they are nice and sturdy. I also like the wear-on system of these shoes. It got a zip on the back to ensure easy and quick wear. These heels are in a size 41, but they are not wide fit. I personally find the heel height the max I could handle, and I can go above 10 centimeters high. Personally, my sweet spot is around 8 or 9 centimeters high. I did notice the little platform giving me the support right underneath the balls of my feet, and that's why I'm giving these heels 3 stars. I think these heels are okay. If you are someone and you can easily handle this heel height and you don't have wide feet, I would say go for it. But otherwise, keep on watching because I got more heels to show. The next heels are by London and they are so freaking cute. The straps are embezzled with jewels. In the sun, they glitter and shine, and next to that, ladies, they are wide fit. So let me give you the tea on these stunners. They're called the Penelope and they cost me 42 euros and I bought it in a size 41. The upper material is made of satin and the inner and outer material is PU, plastic. So the heels have a sturdy, chunky heel and the heel height is 10 centimeters high. So when I wore these heels, I noticed yes, indeed, they are wide feet friendly. The sturdy heels make these heels very wearable, but my only concern is the lace system, because you gotta make sure the laces don't drop and keep your feet in place, because the last thing you want is standing on the altar and feeling your lace dropping to your ankles. By the way, while editing this video, I noticed my toes were sliding a bit on the side, but when I was wearing them, I didn't feel it. But overall, I think these heels are pretty comfortable and I would recommend these heels. I am giving these heels 3 stars. The lace system can be hard for some. Me personally, I like my heels to offer a bit more support, but if you like lace-up heels, these heels can easily be 4 stars for you. But if you like more support, then you have to keep on watching because I got more heels coming up for you. So these are white Mary Janes by Tamaris and they are called the platform pumps. I got it in a size 41. They are not wide fit. The outer material is made out of imitation leather and the inner and outer material is PU. The heel height is 10 centimeters high and the platform is 2 centimeters thick. The heels cost me 59 euros and 95 cents and the heels have a strap around the ankle that you have to attach with a little buckle. So when I tried these heels on, let me tell you guys, it was pure comfort. These heels are so comfortable. They are wide feet friendly. The platforms made the heels feel less high and the heels itself are so stable. So here's my thing. I can understand that some might not really like the look of these heels because they're just basic Mary Janes. But honey, you'll be able to wear these heels for hours and hours and hours. I'm giving these heels 5 stars and that's my ratings and I'm sticking to it. If you are looking for a pair of heels that are a bit more Hollywood, then I got a pair for you. These are the Camillas by Raid. They cost me 35 euros and 99 cents. I love the little bow tie on the front. So the upper materials are satin and the inner and outer sole is PU. I got it in a size 41. This is not wide fit and the heels are straight and have no curve. Just know the straight heels can feel a bit higher than the curved ones. So the heel height is 10 centimeters high. When I tried these heels on, I was really pleasantly surprised. I expected them to be a bit on the uncomfortable side, but they are decent. I don't think you can wear these heels for hours, but if you're looking for something to wear for a short time, like during the photo shoot, they can definitely be worn. The straps around the ankles ensures that the heel stays on your feet. I love that. Next to that, for a pointy non-wide fit heel, these heels are pretty wide feet friendly. I would give these heels 3 stars. I think you can wear this for a short time, but when it's time to dance on your reception, I think you will kick them off. That's why I'm giving these heels 3 stars. They are pretty decent, but if you have feet like me, I don't think you can have a long standing time in them. But if you are someone who can handle high heel heights easily, these heels could be very comfortable for you. Now it's time for these showstoppers. I know you've been waiting for these ones because look how fabulous they are. They are by the designer brand named Maconie and they're called the Peet Toes. These heels are just glamorous. Look at the detail on these heels. It got gold chain links as heels and the design of the upper work is just very unique. I got it for €289.95 and I bought it in a size 41. They are not wide fit. They didn't sell it at Zalando, but I do know that if you look on the website of Maconie, they definitely sell wide fit options. So check them out. The inner and outer material is leather and the soles are made of PU. The heel height is 10 centimeters high, so when I tried these heels on, I noticed they were a bit on the tight side. I was walking a bit on my toes with these ones, a little too high for my taste. So if you have wide feet, you definitely have to buy the wide fit version because the regular ones might be too snug for you. So these heels definitely have potential to be comfortable if you get the right fit for you. I do love how the heels offer support and keeps my feet in place. They actually feel like heeled boots. So I'm giving these heels 3 stars. The fit was a bit too snug for me, but if you have regular width feet, these heels can be comfortable. It's time for the last but definitely not least heels by Anna Field. These are called the leather and they are strappy sandals with a platform and a swing strap right above the bridge of your feet. I bought them for €69.99 in a size 41. They are not wide fit, so the heel height is 10 centimeters high and the platform is 2 centimeters thick. That means the actual heel height is 8 centimeters high. The upper and inner materials is leather, so these heels have a little buckle belt that's easy to adjust for your ankles. When I wore these heels, I immediately noticed how stable the heels were. With my flat feet, stilettos often feel unstable, but the platform was giving my feet a sense of stability. And also, the heels didn't feel that high. I only wish these heels were a tad bit wider because the heels were a bit on the snug side. I'm giving these heels 4 stars. If they were just a bit wider, then they would have been perfect. Now let's take a quick look at the heels I've been reviewing in this video. We got the Yana by Buffalo, they get 3 stars. The Penelopes by Raid get 3 stars. The Tamaris got 5 stars. The Camillas by Raid got 3 stars. The Maconies got 3 stars. And the heels by Anna Fields get 4 stars. Please let me know in the comment section what you think of these heels. I am so happy I made this video because you deserve to be comfortable in heels, especially on your wedding day where you're gonna do a lot of walking, dancing, doing a lot of activities on your heels. So you have to be super duper comfortable. So I hope this video helped you to find comfortable heels for you, and also congratulations, and I wish that you have a beautiful wedding day. So anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell because I'm going to help you have a super duper comfortable experience in heels, and I'm also going to help you pick the best heels for you. Thank you again, and I'm going to see you guys the next time. Bye.